Shawty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the rib.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for a few months now, but I've been extremely busy with work, and I finally found the time to record a quick video for you guys. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the newest scale that I got from Inevifit. You can purchase the scale from Amazon or from Inevifit.com. I will leave the link down below in the description box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. The scale is currently $49.99. It comes in two colors. I decided to order the black and silver scale. There are several things that I love about the scale so far, but first I would like to discuss the features. So the scale allows you to monitor your body weight, and it has 13 fitness metrics. The scale comes with a free app. It's available in Android and iOS. The app allows an unlimited number of users to track their progress. So right now, myself, my husband, and my brother currently have the app downloaded. The scale uses your profile information such as age, weight, height, activity level, and bioelectrical impedance analysis to estimate your body composition levels. On the back and the front of the box, you will see a QR scan code in order to help you get the app. You can also search Eero scale on your smartphone. As I mentioned before, the scale is compatible with iOS and Android devices. It syncs with Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit. If you have any problems with syncing the scale to your device, the company has a support team available 7 days a week. You can call or email. When it comes to adding users on the app, there's two options. The first option is shared app and device, and the second option is each user has their own. With option 1, you will download the app onto your phone and then create additional users within the app. For option 2, the user has their own. With this option, each user can download the app on their own separate mobile device, and they can create their own account to monitor their progress. The metal electrodes you see here will be able to detect your body's composition metrics from your feet, so make sure you step on the scale with bare feet. The scale supports up to 400 pounds. Keep in mind that the athletic mode depends on your physical appearance and your physique. The Smart Scale is utilizing a large data set of information in order to best estimate your body composition. If you exercise more than 10 hours per week, then you should use the athletic setting. Inevifit has multiple fitness-related items on their website. I'm thinking about ordering a food scale and doing a review on that. So if you would like to see a review on an Inevifit food scale, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this product, you can leave me a message on Instagram at JAYB04.
Bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the